The F0E0 error code on a Whirlpool washer indicates an unidentified error. This code appears when the washer is trying to detect an issue, and it can be caused by a system error or a faulty control board. To resolve this problem, start by rebooting the washer. Press the power button to cancel the current cycle. Then select Drain and Spin to remove any excessive water. And check if the error code is still displayed. If the issue persists, replacing the control board may be necessary. To do this, first disconnect the power and water supply. Then remove the screws holding the top panel, which are located at the back of the washer. Next, remove the top panel. Depress the control board's locking tab, and detach the assembly from the side panel. After that, disconnect the wires attached to the control board and connect them to the new board, closing the wire cover afterwards. Reattach the assembly to the side panel and secure it with screws. Then position and secure the top panel. Finally, restore power and water, and test the washer. If the error code still appears, it may be necessary to call a technician for further assistance.